how do I see this exam preparation? Now, a lot of students, they ask that how much time and effort is needed. Can I prepare it in 3 months? Can I prepare it in 2 months? Can I prepare it in even 4 months? So it is better always to quantify the workload. Once we quantify the workload in terms of hours or days, then we understand that how much is expected and how much I can give. Do I have so many hours, or can I allocate so many days? If yes, I can do it. If no, I'm out. So there are 5, 6 steps. Number one, planning. Choose your exam date, set a target, enroll in a course, and get day by day study plan. It's very, very important. Unless you do not set the target, because I have seen many times that students, they are thinking, oh, I want to take DipIFR, I will take it in June. They keep on thinking it just skipped out of their mind. They get busy somewhere else. 15 days later, they again say, oh, I want to take DipIFR. Then again 20 days pass, and then they think, oh, time is short. Now I cannot take in June. I will take it in December. And since December is 9 months from now, so they say, okay, let's get relaxed. We have got too much time. I'll take it in December. And then again, the same story. As the December session comes close, I'll start, I'll do, I'll start, I'll do. And then time is very short. I missed this time as well. Let's take it June next year. I have seen this thing happening many times. So you need to commit yourself. You need to commit yourself. I need to take it in June. Get a day by day study plan. And we give you day by day study plan, which you know that this is what I need to do. So these are the small targets. If I fill all these small goals, ultimately the bigger goal will be achieved. So the same thing. It's a big goal. It's a big goal. Just divide it into small pieces. And once you start completing these small pieces, one day you will realize that you have come quite close to the end. So this is how we should be doing it. Number one, planning. If you talk about lecture videos, whether it is our self-study course or whether it is our live course, to cover the syllabus, you need to spend something like 40 to 45 hours. Remember, I said that approximately 24, 25 standards are there. So some standards will take 30 minutes. The shortest of the standard takes 30 minutes. And the longest of the standard, it takes something like 3 to 4 hours. So approximately for 24, 25 standards, you need 40 to 45 hours only to understand the standards themselves. Then you need to read the study text as well. And that takes something like 35 to 40 hours. Now, Vertex can help you here by providing you with short notes so that you don't have to go back and read the long textbook. We can give you study notes which are short. So after watching the videos in which we have explained the standards in quite detail, these short notes would be enough because you already got the knowledge. And short notes, you can finish it in maybe 15 hours. So you save 15, 20 hours effort here. Then next step which comes to you, watch question videos. Now we need to do questions also together because whatever you learn here, that should be applied. So the application of this knowledge becomes here. So we do past exam questions together. We do questions from the book together and see that how can we, or how do we apply, or where do we stand in the application of knowledge which we gained here. So I know what is IFRS 9. Now let me practice IFRS 9. And this again is approximately 35 to 40 hours of effort. In some cases, you know, different people, they go to exam with a different level of preparation. Some people walk into the exam room very confidently, I'm going to, you know, shoot it. And some people, they go to exam scared, let's see what happens, because some people have done less exercise, less practice. Some people have done more practice. So 35 to 40 hours will put you in sufficient level of confidence that you can walk into the room and say, give me the exam paper, I'm here to solve it. So 35 to 45 hours we need here. And then practice yourself. So this is the practice which I am doing with you, and this is the practice which you need to do yourself. So you are watching me doing the question, and then you are doing it on your own. So this is like, you know, step number 1, make a plan. Step number 2, watch lecture videos. Step 3, read study text. Step 4, watch me doing the questions. Step 5, you do the questions on your own and get ready. 20 hours. These are the last 20 hours I put. Reading the technical articles on ACCA website, reading the examiner reports on the website, and take at least 2 mock exams. This is the closing, okay? Because you must take mock exam before you go to the actual exam to see that where do you stand. You must read the examiner reports, last 2 or 3 terms examiner reports, which examiner tell that what examiners expect in the exam and what students they make mistakes. So that's very important. And altogether, it takes you approximately 160 to 180 hours of effort. Now, if you think like I have 4 months with me, so if you think like that, I have 4 months of preparation time and I need to do 180 hours. So it makes you 45 hours per month. 45 hours per month means something like, how much it makes? Like 10 to 12 hours of effort per week. So if you can consistently give 10 to 12 hours of effort per week, I can assure you that you will definitely pass this exam. Yes, if you go to, sometimes people say that, oh, I went to exam, I couldn't pass, because they spent only 120 hours and they tried to take a chance that let's see, can I do it in 120 hours or not? So there is a recipe for everything. If you put all the ingredients which are in the recipe, ultimately the result is supposed to be good. I cannot promise that you will score 75 marks. I cannot promise that you can score 70 marks. Maybe you will get 65, maybe you will get 60, but at least you will get 50 plus. This much is sure. So if you are spending 180 hours, I know that you will definitely be passing the exam. Now, how high was your score? Did you get 60 or 70 or 80 or 90, whatever? That will depend on that how well you understood it and how well did you do in the exam on that particular day during those 3 hours. But at least you are safe to score 50 marks with this plan. That's worst come worst.